Hi friends, Christelle Scarantino here. I thought I'd come on and start a Friday FAQ series because I get asked a lot of questions all the time by people that are considering coaching, by people that are incredibly frustrated with their job. They're creative thinkers usually, and the cause of their frustration is because their organization just really doesn't know what to do with their out of the box kind of thinking. So they want to accomplish amazing change in their jobs, but the organization just is resistant to that change, and it takes a little while for people to really understand the value of the change, which is incredibly frustrating to people who are creative thinkers and idea generators and really can easily see the value and the benefit of making important changes, the changes that they're proposing, but the organization has a little bit to catch up with those ideas and actually implement the changes. So in any case, I thought that I'd start a Friday FAQ series just to share some questions that I typically get asked and what my answers are to those questions. So here's one. What is one action that I can take immediately to help me with my thoughts about my situation and to get me mentally unstuck? This comes from a person who was just incredibly dissatisfied with her job, and she was thinking about making a change, but she felt stuck and paralyzed, and so she couldn't move. So here was my answer to that. Besides coaching, which coaching is my number one answer for this, because coaching can really help you get a handle on where you are right now, where you want to go, and then create a strategy to accelerate your journey to where you want to go. But coaching aside, what else can you do to get mentally unstuck? Well, one thing that you can do is to start journaling or writing. Find a quiet space, dedicate some quiet time, write down your thoughts, your emotions, your concerns about your current situation. Allow yourself to freely express your feelings and your thoughts without judgment. No one has to read what you're writing. No one has to look in your journal. That is for you. Allow yourself to write in a freestyle kind of way, like a free association kind of style, and just write, because writing serves as a therapeutic tool. It helps you to gain clarity, it helps you to process your emotions, and it helps you to identify any underlying thought patterns or obstacles that might be keeping you stuck. Consider some writing prompts like, what are the main challenges that I'm facing in my current situation? How are those challenges affecting my thoughts and emotions? What are some of my fears or limiting beliefs around my situation? What are some potential solutions or steps that I can take to address these challenges? And how can I reframe my thoughts or my perspective to see new possibilities? When you engage in journaling regularly or in writing exercises, when you do that regularly, you create a space for self reflection, which helps you to gain insights into your own situation and helps you to begin generating ideas and actions so that you can move forward. It is really important for you to remember that everyone's journey is unique. So be patient with yourself, be kind as you explore your thoughts and as you work towards getting mentally unstuck. If you decide to start using journaling to help you get unstuck, or if you have already started journaling, I'd love to know in the comments how that's working for you. And just let me know. I'd love to know. See you next time.